Hey gang, welcome back to Opaw's Diecast Restoration. Today we've got a fun little one. I always wanted a Ferrari Testarossa, and this is the only way I'm going to ever own one. It's a cheap, no-name version of the Ferrari. We start as usual, drill down the post with the 1/16 drill bit. And we follow that up with I believe it's a 1/4-inch drill bit. Could be 3/8. I never know. That's right. Get the bit tight. Like most of these cars with the plastic base, one side pops off real easy. The other side's always a bear. Interior. There's a weird interior. It had seat backs, but no seat place to put your butt. So I wasn't able to do much in the line of detailing other than cleaning the interior. Now I must have edited out the stripper segment. Here's right after the stripper. Here's right after the wire wheel clean up, shine up. For ease of reassembly, clean up around the post, get any little burrs off of it. Here we are going into our mineral spirits bath. After it dried, I hit it with the gray primer. Then it was time for the hot soapy water to clean the interior and the windshield. Windshield was in pretty good condition. Some fine scratches in it, but all I did after it dried was dip it in the Pledge Revive It. Thusly. This thing was really flimsy. Covered it up, let it sit overnight. While I'm thinking about it, if you like my videos, please consider subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it. Here we are putting on our first coat of the black, gloss black. This is the color I always wanted one of these in. Time for a little reassembly. Oh, you'll notice that I took those cheap Chinese wheels off and put some of the Hot Wheels cheap Chinese wheels on. It's as close as I could get with what I have. Here's a little look back at what we started with. Red, play-worn, goofy stickers on it, or decals, whatever you want to call them. Part of them were decals, part of them were stick-ons. Here's what we ended up with. Someday, I hope to get an inkjet printer and be able to do my own decals. But for now, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. For now, this is Opa saying goodbye.